Next function in MS Excel is financial function. Financial function is very important. If you see the question papers, it asks in 2016 for 5 marks, and in 2017 and 19 question paper also ask for 5 marks. Okay, so it's very important. Let's see some 5 functions here. Okay, first function is future function, future value. Okay, if you want to find out the future value of a particular investment which has a constant interest and periodic payment, use the following formula. If you want to know the what is the future value, okay, at if you are paying per month this much amount for some 2 years, okay, like this. After 2 years, what is your total amount? What is the future value? Okay, let's take example. Here the syntax is FV rate, comma NPER, comma PMT, comma PV, comma type. Rate means interest. NPER means total number of months, number of periods. PMT means per month how much you pay. Okay, monthly amount. PV is present value. And type. Okay, if type is equal to 1 means you are calculating future value of, okay, initially. If type equal to 0, okay, calculating future value of at the end. Okay, if you not mention anything, it assume end. Clear, no? Okay, take an example. Interest is 11%. Year 3 years means 3 into 12, 36 months. PMT per month 3600, and type is equal to 1 means at the beginning. Okay, let's find the future value. Equal to FV in bracket. First is rate. Rate is how much? 11%. Okay, divided by 12 because you want to find per month. Then NPER, total number of months, comma. Then PMT per month, how much? 3600. Okay, and PV. PV is initially it is 0. Okay, present value is 0. Then type is 1. You want to know at the beginning. Then bracket close. So it displays how much? This is the future value. Okay, if you pay per month 3600, okay, for 36 months with 11% interest, you get 1,54,123.21. That is the future value after 36 months. Next, present value. Calculate the present value of a loan or an investment based on a constant interest rate. Okay, this is the syntax. Take an example. Interest is 8%. Year 2 means total 24 months. PMT is 2500 and type is equal to 1. Let's see, for example, here if you want to purchase any bike, okay, you go to bike shop, okay, he says okay, the cost is 60,000. Okay, he is ready to give 8% discount. He is ready to give 8% discount. The total cost is 60,000, and he put condition you have to pay per month 2,500, okay, for 24 months. Okay, so you want to know what is the total amount. Okay, with the 8% discount, actual cost is 60,000. He give 8% discount. You want to know what is the total cost. Okay, that's the present value. Okay, what is the formula? Equal to PV rate. Rate is how much? 8%. Okay, divided by 12. Per month you want to calculate. Then NPR, how many months total you pay? 24. Then PMT. Okay, PMT is how much? 2,500. You have to put minus because you are paying to others. Okay, then you have to put minus. If you are receiving, then plus. If you are paying to others, minus. 2,500. Okay, then clear, no? Okay, then future and type is optional. I put bracket here, bracket close, enter. See, this is the total amount. Okay, actual cost is 60,000. Okay, if you give 8% discount, you get 55,276.36. Clear, no? Next, PMT, financial function. In Excel, PMT denotes the periodical payment required to pay off for a particular period of time with constant interest rate. Okay, here PMT per month calculation. Okay, per month how much you pay. Okay, that PMT includes your principal amount plus interest. Okay, per month principal amount plus per month interest. Clear no? The syntax. Take an example. Interest is 12%, loan value is 8 lakh, year 3 means total month is 3 into 12, 36. You want to know first month amount. Okay, see how to calculate. Equal to PMT. First rate is how much? 12%, divided by 12, comma. Then NPA, total number of months 36, comma. Present value is how much? What is the loan amount? 8 lakh. Okay, so these are the values. Okay, then you then bracket close, then press enter. Okay, how much you get? 26,571. Okay, this is what first month. Okay, first month principal amount plus interest. Clear no? Next, IPMT. You want to know only interest. Okay, of first month. You want to know only interest of first month. Then IPMT function is used. The Microsoft Excel IPMT function returns the interest payment of an investment based on an interest rate and constant payment schedule. Okay, this is the syntax. Take an example. Okay, same example. We want to know what is the interest amount. Okay, of first month amount. So here equal to IPMT rate is 12% divided by 12, comma. Next up, you want to know first month. Okay, first month, what is the interest of first month? Next, NPR, total number of months is 36. Next, present value is 8 lakh. Present value is 8 lakh. Okay, then bracket close. Okay, enter. So 8,000 is the interest. First month interest. You want to know second month, write 2 here. Okay, like this. So 8,000 interest okay, of first month. Then last function is PPMT. You want to know the principal amount. Okay, you want to know the principal amount. Okay, so this is the syntax. Take an example. Okay, same example. Okay, let's find what is PPMT, principal amount of first month. PPMT, first is the rate 12% divided by 12 per month. Then PER, you want to know the first month. Next NPR, total number of months. Then present value, the loan amount. Clear no? Okay, then bracket close, enter. So this is your principal amount. Okay, so you calculated PMT. Okay, PMT you got 26,571. Then you calculated PPMT. Okay, principal amount. Okay, here you calculate principal amount 18,571. Then IPMT interest you calculated 8,000. Okay, if you add this two, PPMT and IPMT, PPMT is principal amount, IPMT is interest. Combinedly you get PMT. Clear no? Okay, PMT you got 26,571. You can check. This is 8,000 interest IPMT. Then this is 26,571. If you add IPMT and PPMT, you get PMT value. Clear no? Okay. Clear no? Okay. Thank you.